Apple cider vinegar or ACV is a popular health tonic for ages. It is also widely used in cooking. Among its many health-related uses, apple cider vinegar is very effective for cough and phlegm. In this short video we will discuss why apple cider vinegar is good for cough, scientific research to back up the claims, and the best ways to take it. It is believed that the antimicrobial acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may be helping in getting rid of cough and phlegm. But there is no scientific research done to prove it or discard the belief. At the same time, there are many who have benefited by its capabilities to control cough and phlegm. Love it. Another property of apple cider vinegar is it being anti-inflammatory. This also can help stop coughing. But too much consumption of ACV can cause inflammation. So it is important to consume apple cider vinegar in the right way to deal with cough and phlegm for best results. The best way to consume apple cider vinegar is to take it with honey. Honey is also both antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. Scientific research also suggests that honey is as effective as some of the cough syrups available over the counter. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water to dilute it. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir it to mix well. Your apple cider honey cough syrup is ready for consumption. Take it twice daily. You can also add one more ingredient to this syrup to make it even more effective. In fact, then the preparation for the drink will be slightly different. Boil 2 glasses of water in a pot. Take about an inch of ginger. Remove its skin and shred it and toss it in the boiling water. Let it boil for some time until the water volume reduces to half. Strain the water and let it cool for some time until it becomes warm to drink. Now add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a tablespoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink it twice daily. Use a straw to consume it, as it will protect your teeth enamel from acetic acid in the apple cider vinegar. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.